Hello, good day. Today we'll be dealing with WAEC Biology Past Question 2019, question 50. The biological importance of the dance by the worker honeybee is that it A. acts as a signal, B. serves as a warning signal, C. signifies the availability of food, D. serves as a means of identifying members of caste. Now, a honeybee, a honeybee is a social insect. Now, when I say social insect, what I mean is social. It has a distinctive level of organization. Now, in the colony, social insects live in colonies. Now, each colony is very organized. They have their workers for the bees. They have their queen and the rest. Now, the social insect, there's always division of labor. Now each caste, now when I say caste, I mean the queen, the workers, the drones. Now each caste has a certain role to play. The workers are responsible for doing most of the works, formation of food and the rest. Now the drones are responsible for mating with the queen. Now these workers that do most of the works, identification of food and the rest. These workers, when they identify food, there's this certain dance by the workers. You see them moving around the circle and dancing. Now this dance by the worker honeybee is a signal that shows that what that identifies food. Now wherever they see food, a suitable food substance, they begin to dance around that area. Now other members of the caste will know that yes, food has been identified. So now the biological importance of the dance by the worker honeybee is what? Is that it signals the availability of food, which is C. So thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.